What are the benefits of having a gold IRA? When it comes to retirement planning, gold individual retirement accounts, IRAs, are becoming increasingly popular. Gold IRA offer a unique opportunity to diversify your retirement portfolio, and they can potentially provide you with a number of benefits. But before you jump in and invest in a gold IRA, it's important to understand the advantages and disadvantages of this investment. For starters, gold IRA offer greater protection against inflation. As the value of paper currencies tends to depreciate over time, gold tends to appreciate as governments devalue their currencies. Furthermore, gold has historically held its value over long periods of time, making it a relatively stable investment. Gold also has the advantage of being liquid and readily available for purchase. In most cases, investors can liquidate their gold holdings if they need to access funds quickly. Additionally, many custodians and banks offer secure storage facilities for gold IRA accounts, which provides an additional layer of security. Another benefit of gold IRA is that they are not subject to taxes or penalties. Unlike stocks and bonds, gold is not subject to capital gains taxes when it is sold. This can be beneficial for those who want to preserve as much of their retirement savings as possible. Finally, gold IRA provide investors with a tangible asset that they can hold in their possession. Having physical gold in your possession gives you a sense of security and peace of mind that your investments are real and tangible. If you're considering investing in a gold IRA, it's important to do your research and talk to an experienced financial advisor to determine whether this type of investment is right for you. By understanding the benefits and risks associated with gold IRA, you can make an informed decision about whether this investment is a good fit for your retirement portfolio. Request your free gold guides now from Augusta Precious Metals by clicking the link below the video or visiting easygoldinvestments.com. You can also call them toll-free at 1-855-470-4636. Take action right away to help diversify and protect your retirement now. Visit easygoldinvestments.com or call 1-855-470-4636 now. They look forward to helping you answer your questions and get started right away. You'll be glad you did.